for all the little kids at home right now being tucked into bed, I don't want you to worry, because this fairy tale does have a happily ever after. And ladies and gentlemen, and my children too, that happily ever after is... Won't be seeing Bill Goldberg around here anymore! Ladies and gentlemen, Brock Lesnar is the disruptor of the status quo, because history demands those two go